What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Dennis Hughes Fireworks, man. Picked up some more stuff at the store this morning. Bunch of little goodies. Let's see what we got here. Got some Red Rhino firecrackers. Got some Big Bomb super firecrackers, maximum blast, super loud. Let's see, we got some popping smoke grenades by Hog Wild. We got 7-bullet Russian roulette by Black Cat. Pretty neat. We got Camellia Flowers by King Bird. We got Cracker Bomb by Black Cat. Big firecrackers. See what we can do with that. We have 2-color spaceship. This is for day or night use. We'll see what we can do with that. We got Mammoth Parachute by Black Cat. We got Cracker Balls by Black Cat. Got another box of firecrackers, Red Rhino M60s. Got 36 in the box. Blow some stuff up with that. I got a big bag of novelties called 4th of July Pack by Wenda Fireworks. This right here is pretty neat, man. It's got some cool stuff in there. We'll check that out. We got a fountain called Koi Pond by Wenda Fireworks. I'm sure that'll be pretty neat. And the last thing we got is 25 shot by Legend Fireworks called Mother Load. That's a heavy cake, so should be pretty good. Performance on it is horsetail to red wave, green wave, purple wave, gold wave, and green strobe finale with all effects shoot together. So there you have it. Got some more things to shoot up. So if you ain't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more coming.